Do you want to live a healthy lifestyle without breaking the bank? Welcome to a world where health and budget coexist harmoniously. Today, we're tackling the challenge of maintaining a healthy lifestyle while keeping a watchful eye on your finances. It's essential, not just for your physical well-being, but for your mental peace too. Rest assured, the benefits are immense, from increased energy to improved mood to a happier bank account. So let's dive into the simple steps that can help you achieve a healthy lifestyle without straining your wallet. First, planning your meals is a game changer. It's like having a roadmap to healthier eating, and it's an essential part of a budget-friendly lifestyle. When you plan your meals, you're less likely to make impulsive purchases that can lead to waste and overspending. Think about it this way. When you go grocery shopping with a list based on your meal plan, you're more likely to stick to that list, saving money and avoiding the temptation of junk food. Additionally, planning meals reduces the likelihood of food wastage as you'll only buy what you need. Now, here's a tip. Always consider seasonal produce. They're not only fresh and packed with nutrients, but they're also cheaper than out-of-season options. And let's not forget about home cooking. It's not just healthier because you control what goes into your food, but it's also more cost-effective than eating out. Remember, a well-planned meal is half the battle won. Secondly, exercise doesn't have to be expensive. There's a common misconception that to stay fit, you have to shell out for pricey gym memberships or fancy equipment. However, that's far from the truth. In reality, some of the most effective exercises can be done right at home with no equipment at all. Think push-ups, squats, lunges, or even dancing to your favorite tunes. If you prefer outdoor activities, running or cycling can be a great way to combine exercise with a breath of fresh air. It's not only free, but also a wonderful opportunity to connect with nature and refresh your mind. In this digital age, a plethora of free workout resources are available online. From yoga to HIIT, you can find detailed guides, tutorials, and routines for all fitness levels. So with a little creativity, you can keep fit without splurging. Next, healthy eating doesn't mean fancy, expensive foods. In fact, some of the most nutritious options are also the most affordable. Let's take a closer look. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and grains are not only packed with essential nutrients, but they're also kind to your wallet. They are unprocessed and unrefined, or processed and refined as little as possible before being consumed. They typically don't contain added sugars, carbohydrates, or fats. Think fresh apples over boxed apple juice, or a whole chicken over pre-packaged chicken parts. Now, how about buying in bulk? Foods like rice, beans, oats, and pasta are often cheaper when purchased in larger quantities. They also have a longer shelf life, saving you frequent trips to the grocery store. But remember, don't buy what you won't use. And then there's the option of growing your own vegetables. It can be a fun, rewarding hobby that also saves you money. Start with easy-to-grow plants like tomatoes, cucumbers, or herbs. You'll know exactly where your food comes from, and nothing beats the taste of homegrown produce. Finally, let's not forget about drinks. Water is the healthiest and most affordable beverage. It's crucial for our body functions, and it comes straight from your tap. So, skip the sugary drinks and make water your go-to refreshment. So, with some smart choices, you can eat healthily and save money. Living a healthy lifestyle on a budget is doable and sustainable. We've delved into the significance of meal planning, how it can dramatically cut down your expenses while ensuring you're getting the nutrients you need. We've also explored smart exercise routines that don't require a costly gym membership, but just your commitment. And we've navigated through the world of affordable, yet healthy food choices, proving that you don't need to splurge to fuel your body right. Each of these steps is a pillar to building a healthy lifestyle that's kind to your well-being and your wallet. They are more than just tips. They are lifestyle modifications that, when implemented, can lead to long-term health benefits. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Start small and gradually incorporate these changes into your life. By following these steps, you can lead a healthy lifestyle without burning a hole in your pocket. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more such content.